Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2, the unknown error, the 4Fs error, so the FFFF. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to disable additional audio device drivers. So since the Red Dead Redemption 2 error or 4Fs is audio related, you may want to disable additional audio device drivers. So they may be conflicting and interfering with the game and its launcher, so triggering errors that cause it to crash during the launch. So here's how you can do it. So on the Windows quick access menu, just simply click the device manager to open, and then navigate to sound, video, and game controllers, and then double click to expand the category. And after doing so, just locate additional audio device drivers in this section and right click and select the disabled device from the list of options, and close the device manager and restart your PC to save the changes. And after doing so, just launch the Red Dead Redemption 2 to see if the error is resolved. And if the problem still persists, what you can do next is to try and update the audio drivers. So updating your audio drivers can also fix the R2 error. So by ensuring you have the latest drivers for your PC to offer peak performance. And to do this, just open the device manager. So on the Windows quick access menu, click the device manager to open, and then just locate the sound, video, and game controllers again from the context menu and double click to expand the list. And after that, just identify the dedicated audio driver for your PC and right click on it and simply select update driver, and then just choose how to update the other driver. So Windows will ask you how you want to update your drivers. So we recommend selecting search automatically for drivers. And after that, just complete the process and let the system search for and install the latest audio driver updates, and then restart the game if to see if the error 4Fs is fixed. And so that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. And so I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.